it's me Natascha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this occasion, I would like to tell you how to make gado-gado for an appetizer. Are you curious with that? So let's join me to make this gado-gado. The ingredient that we need is the first is cabbage, then fried tofu, fried soybean cake, long bean, lettuce, fried peanuts, coconut milk, potato, cucumber, carrot, red chili, salt, brown sugar, garlic cloves, lime, chili, and a piece of egg. The equipment that we need is need, or in Indonesia we call it ulekan, knife, spatula, tablespoon, cutting board, plates, hand gloves, pot, and the last is pan. The first thing that you will need is use your hand gloves. And first we will cut the cucumber. So I will cut the cucumber into the jardiniere style cut. So I will divide into two pieces and remove the seeds. You must remove the seeds of the cucumber. And cut into the jardiniere style cut. The next we will cut the carrot in the same size with the cucumber. So I will remove the top of the carrot first and peel off the carrots. Then we cut the carrot into two pieces or small pieces to get easier cut with the same size with the cucumber. And I will cut with the jardiniere style cut. Voila! I have already cut the cucumber and the carrot into the jardiniere style cut, and the next I will cut the cabbage. So cut the cabbage by removing from the bottom of the cabbage. And please take off carefully because we need this piece of cabbage for wrapping all the vegetables and the ingredients of gado-gado. The next, we need to cut the tofu and fried soybean cake. We must cut into the same size with the carrots and the cucumber. After that, we need to cut the soybean cake into the same size with the tofu. Please cut carefully. Next, we need to mix all of the ingredients for the sauce. So the first, we need to take the tablespoon and take the fried peanut and place it to the nail. Add the garlic, salt, and brown sugar, add chili. The next, we need to mix all of the ingredients for the sauce using the milk. Let's mix all of this carefully. The next, after water is boiled, we need to put cabbage to hot water. About 3 minutes. After that, we need to put the carrot into the boiling water. It's about 5 minutes. The last step, we need to boil the long beans and put that in the hot water. It's about 3 minutes. First, we need to add cooking oil on the pan and heat first. The next, we take the sauce in the pan and fry it for a while. And next, we need to take the coconut milk. To make it more satisfying, I add soy sauce on the sauce. Okay, that's enough, I guess. And mix it up till it boils. After the water has reduced for a bit, and after it's boiled, we must turn off the fire. Next, it's time to plating. So the first, we need to wrap the ingredients into cabbage. First is cabbage, next is lettuce, long bean, carrots, cucumber, fried tempeh or soybean cake, and tofu. And we need to wrap it carefully. Like this. Voila! After we got this, we must cut into smaller pieces and nicer shape.
Rolled Gado-Gado. Please add sweet potato. Place the fried tofu and fried soybean cake or tempeh. And a little touch of chili on the top on it. bit more sauce.
Voila, this is it! Rolled Gado-Gado. So don't forget to record my recipe and tag me on Instagram or comment on my YouTube channels about what is that taste, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, have a nice day!